Hidden WhatsApp feature for iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will talk about one such feature of WhatsApp that you can get on your iPhone. So first of all, head over to your App Store and search for WhatsApp. If there is any update available, make sure to tap on it to get the latest version with all the included new features. Once you have tapped on the update button, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the installation and update. Once you have updated, head over to your WhatsApp and tap on the conversation. Once you open the conversation, tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom left corner. Tapping on it will give you different options. Tap on Documents. Now you will see a new added feature called Scan Documents. This way you just have to position the document in view and it will auto detect the document and scan it for you. Once the scan is over, it will be ready for the next take, or you can just scan the next document in line. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.